Hi, first grade. It's Miss Dudley. And although we are very sad that we are not in the classrooms teaching you guys, seeing your faces every day, talking to you, hugging you, we are still here for you. We are still your teachers and we miss you a lot. We'll be here for you on the phone or through the internet, however you need. I will be teaching the math part of this. I know you will be seeing other videos with Miss Doe and Miss Carter. And I hope to keep my videos at least 5 minutes or less because I know you have 2 others to watch. And I'm going to start off with teaching time. And I know my class got a little bit into time and they might know some of this, but I'm going to start at the beginning again because you may need a review. Who knows? But we are going to start with teaching on a digital clock. Excuse me, an analog clock. This is an analog clock. It shows all the numbers and it has the hands on it. Now, if you pull up your phone, that is a digital clock. This one's digital because it just shows the numbers. There's my puppy. Don't know why my phone is doing that right there, but it is. But we are mainly going to be learning on an analog clock. Digital, it already tells you the time. It's too easy. We have 2 hands on this clock. One is blue, one is longer, and one kind of covers the numbers as it's going around. This is the minute hand. This shows you the minutes in the hour. Then we have a shorter hand that's red, and it doesn't cover up the numbers as it goes around. This is the hour hand. This is going to point to the hour. So looking at this clock right here, the hour hand is pointing to the 11. The minute hand is pointing all the way up to the 12. If I bring this clock closer to you, you can see that there are little numbers going around, and it starts with the lowest number that you would see is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then it goes to 60. 60 is also the same thing as 00 when you're telling time. Have you ever seen a clock that says 560? Nope. The last number that can be in there, the biggest number that can be in there is 59. And then 60, of course, comes right after 59. But when we write the time, it starts over 00. So this actually represents that when the minute hand goes all the way around, that it's gone through 60 minutes because a whole hour is 60 minutes. So if I bring this all the way around, I brought it backwards, but that was 60 minutes. It went backwards because the time is supposed to go forward, but we'll learn through this recording together. This is already take 3, so I'm just going to roll with it. All right, so if I went this way, you can see that the hour hand moves as well. When I'm writing this time right here, this is what it looks like. We write 11, the hour first, 2 dots, and then the minutes. We are only going to talk about time to the hour right now. So this clock right here, the hour hand is pointing to the 11. The minute hand is pointing all the way straight up, which tells me 00. I know, remember it said 60 on there, but that also means 00 because we do not write 1160. Can't happen. So time to the hour, that's 11 o'clock. Now, if I was going to move my minute hand, we see that it goes around, but my hour hand is moving too. That's because I'm going through the minutes of an hour on a clock. Now, both hands are pointing straight up, and they're pointing at what number? 12. This would be 12 o'clock. We say o'clock when the minute hand points straight up. Then if I moved again, moved it all the way around because an hour is 60 minutes, moved it all the way around, it moved to the 1 o'clock hour. So this is 1 o'clock. Move that minute hand again. This is 2 o'clock. Then we would go to, too far, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. and so on. It will keep going. Now, if one hand is pointing straight down and one hand is pointing straight up, that is still just 6 o'clock. This will get confusing when we talk about time to the half hour, but this is 6 o'clock and we can keep going around. Ooh, too far. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, which we saw earlier when I went backwards, and we're back at 11 o'clock. So for the minute hand to go all the way around, that's 60 minutes in an hour. The short hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. When we are writing it down, hour, ... minute. So this was an analog clock. This, if my phone will cooperate, is a digital clock. 5:46 on a Friday night, but you guys are watching this on Monday. All right, so your assignment, which I'm going to type up in the comments below, is I want you to find an analog clock in your house somewhere, analog clock, and I want you to find a digital clock in your house somewhere. And I want you to take a picture of them, and I want you to send them to your teachers on Class Dojo or however they might have asked you to send it. We definitely miss you. We hope you guys are doing well. Let us know if y'all need anything at all. We are here for you. We have lots of resources that we can use and try to get you guys some things. So let us know. We love you. Have a good day.